like to do LED lighting on this trailer, starting off with the buffer tank, doing blue lights around it, and purchased these things on Amazon and just fitting it together. Pretty sure it should work. Got this 12-volt receptacle. Of course, attaching this to the battery, and then a plug for it, and then the red positives going to a toggle. And then to the red on the LED strip, and then the black negative is attached to the plug. So we'll see if it works. Tis the season. Daytime. Nighttime.